How to change server in Last Z survival shooter. So first things first, before you access and pull up the application, ensure that you're currently running the latest version. Next up is open up the app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And this is going to be your dashboard. The top left portion of your screen, you should see your profile icon. Simply tap on that. And then below, you should see gallery, more account settings, and rankings. For you to be able to change between or transfer into different servers, make sure that you already binded your account to any working email address available on your end. Once you've successfully binded it, just go into account at the lower portion of your screen and then go into character management. To understate 290, that's actually the current server that you're in. For you to be able to change to another server, you have to create a new character, and take note that you can only create up to one characters per state or per server. So that is how I change server in Last Z survival shooter.